So I know a lot of you ask yourselves, what do I do with the soybean pulp after I finish making soy milk, after I finish making tofu, if you do that? And the answer today is going to be Okara balls. So Okara, it's basically the word for your leftover soybean pulp afterwards. I'm going to be mixing with various vegetables, with various spices, so that it's going to just be like uber savory, uber delicious, kind of like your meatball, but made with leftover soybean pulp, so that you guys know what to do with the waste. So I hope you all enjoy. So these are some of the savory vegetables that I'm going to be using along the way, and I will put the recipe all down below. They're all really meant to have this be like really kind of meaty, savory, so that you're not going to be missing out on anything. So now some people might want to give this a good fry just until, you know, the onions kind of soften and caramelize a bit. I'm going to be a little bit lazy here and just skip that step. Okay, so I'm just going to mix everything around. I'm going to add in some flavoring ingredients. So I have my ginger, garlic powder, sake, mirin, soy sauce, and then I have a flax egg in here just in case if things don't bind. So I'm just going to put about a tablespoon in first. Again, it functions very much like an egg. Find some of the stuff. So I'm going to put in my okara. I'm just going to do a very quick teriyaki sauce. So it's 2 parts soy sauce, 2 parts mirin, 2 parts sake, and then 1 part sugar. Just mix that, and then that'll be our sauce. One thing to advise is that they do burn quite easily, and we're trying to just get some color on it, but also to cook it throughout. So you probably want it at around medium heat, and we'll be cooking it with the teriyaki sauce as well. So I'm topping this guy off with some sesame and cilantro. And yes, you guys called me out on it. It was parsley that I had today, but it is supposed to be cilantro. I'll tell you, these Okara balls came out so nicely because the first time I made Okara balls, I thought it was just gritty and horrible. And I think it's because we cut it with so many different like vegetables and so many different textures, and then obviously that teriyaki sauce. So it's actually quite good for you, quite meaty, quite delicious. So I hope you all enjoy.